Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 463, effective until 9 p.m.
SVA 643.
The watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for future statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and gales winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, light-sensitive showers with isolated thunderstorms and tornadoes, and visibility 1 to 3 and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Official National Weather Service forecast for
SVR.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, southwestern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, western Merrimack County in central New Hampshire until 4:30 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles northwest of Hanover to 11 miles west of Charlestown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Claremont, Lebanon, Henniker, New London, Plymouth, Grafton, Hanover, Charlestown, Enfield, Canyon, Holderness, Ashland, Bradford, Danbury, Groton, Newport, Warner, Marlow, Piermont, and Alsted. This includes the following highways: Interstate 89 between mile markers 19 and 60. Interstate 93 between mile markers 78 and 93. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Grafton, Merrimack, and Sullivan. At 4:17 p.m. yesterday. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: Chester, New Hampshire. Until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It's 4:22.
Just about like in 5 minutes. For 5 minutes. Can you not issue an SVR for 5 minutes? What? What? Just share your screen. Can I see?
Milford, Amherst, Litchfield, Peterborough, New Boston, Antrim, Mount Vernon, Greenfield, Lynnborough.
Let me check if WFNQ is doing it. Okay. New SVR.
This includes the following highway: Interstate 293 between mile markers. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Are you giggling yet? You're doing it?
The National Weather Service. Winds and seas storm warning for heavy storms in western Massachusetts. Franklin, National Weather Service forecast for most
I love the music.
What? New SVR for there's a new SVR for Franklin, Hampton, and Hampshire.
Carroll, Merrimack, Rockingham, and Stratford.
Doubleheader! It's a doubleheader!
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Holly to near Milton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: wind damage to trees in Kelly Lands. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Springfield, West room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Franklin, Massachusetts.
Providence County.
Wisconsin, I met a guy named
Fight.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Pomfret, 4 or 13 miles northeast of Mansfield, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Killingly, Burteville, Situate, Gloucester, Putnam, Thompson, Brooklyn, Woodstock, Foster, Pomfret, Hampton, and Eastford. Connecticut, northwestern Providence County in Rhode Island, miles northeast of Mansfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
I guess he took a red eye to get that.
Over Pomfret, 4 or 13 miles northeast of Mansfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Killingly, Burteville, Situate, Gloucester, Putnam, Thompson, Brooklyn, Woodstock, Foster, Pomfret, and Eastford.
And check out their specials for smooth skin, laser hair removal, Botox, and fillers. SkinsationalRI.com. That's SkinsationalRI.com.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern London County in northern time. At 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pomfret, 4 or 13 miles northeast of Mansfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards in size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Killingly, Burteville, Situate, Gloucester, Putnam, Thompson, Brooklyn, Woodstock, Foster, Pomfret, Hampton, and Eastford.
Policeman.